Hello, my name is David Krause. I'm one of the project managers for Triple Crown.
Hi, my name is Bill Reinhardt. I'm the estimator here at Triple Crown Construction.
Hi, my name is Brian Campbell. I'm a project superintendent with Triple Crown Construction.
Hi, my name is Kurt Parasari. I'm a project manager at Triple Crown Construction. Okay, there's a lot of things you could do while you're in low renovations. Probably look at your maintenance schedule and where you're at with that. Furnace filters, exercising your valves, going through minor repairs of rooms and corridors that needed to be done that you put off because of occupancy. You can look at your PIP, maybe take care of some of the things that's on your PIP that were due either this year and or next year. Maybe give you an opportunity to get ahead on that. You could get the staff together, retrain the staff, make sure they're following your protocols and project systems, maybe even develop some new ones.
Also want to check out the systems throughout the building, make sure that they're fully functional. That'll ensure that when you are back to full occupancy, then you'll have everything working.
Another item that can be done is start looking at cost-saving items such as cutting back on the boiler temperatures or even possibly shutting off the boiler to save the costs for operating it. Look at minimizing any operations you can during that time.
And at the same time, we need to expand that into cleaning and working together with housekeeping with a room punch and followed by a deep clean to make sure that the guest rooms are 100% when the guests return. And last but not least, make the place look good, make the place look brand new. If there's anything that needs to be painted, paint it. When the guests return, coming into a property that looks clean and new will be something that they will not forget. So keep that in mind with preventive maintenance, cleaning, and looking new, and the quality, the service, the cleanliness, and the value. The guest is going to see it all. Thank you.